Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Welcome back to another video. It is currently 4:25 in the morning. And yesterday we were in the trade. We ended up getting out that trade because personally I just didn't want to deal with it with the psychology. So I took the money out. It was a $3,000 day, $2,000 that morning, $1,000 that night, $3K day. So that day is over with. But let's just look at what we are looking at today. So as y'all can see, we are actually just doing a continuation play, meaning I'm still looking for price to kind of fill this gap and maybe come to this area. I'm really looking for her to come to this area, but once it gets to this area, I'm probably okay with taking the profits and calling it a day and letting this trade be over, and then we just wait for a whole new setup. This setup took some time to play out. It happens. It took way longer than expected. It happens. You do not control time when you're trading. So in your head, it's only 10 minutes, 15 minutes the trade should play out. But the reality is it may take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days in order to play out. Sometimes that happens with price, okay? So right now in my account, I'm currently floating about $280. I will make somewhere around another $4,000. So I'll make $4,000 if it hit the TP. And then here, I'm currently floating 2,800, 2,900. This is my demo account. This is for me to start to practice what it's like to trade with this large amount of capital. So I'm getting my brain prepared to that. So I'm trading with that. I just bought a brand new top step.
Hey, take a look.
So I just bought a brand new top step this morning. I'm currently in the negative 215. If I hit TP, I'll hit 2,000. And this is a brand new account, 4,900. So I'm just waiting for this to fall, do its thing. And yeah, so just remember, lock in, tap in, learn your strategy backwards and forward. So that way you feel comfortable when you trade. And just remember that sometimes you don't feel like it. Sometimes you will feel like it. Sometimes you're just not in the mood, and that happens. Yesterday I just wasn't in the mood to hold on to the trade any longer. I didn't want to deal with the psychology of holding on to the trade at night. I just didn't want to do it anymore. So I took the $1,000 and ran. So it happened. So I had a $3,000 yesterday, which was Tuesday, which is a good day. I didn't make any money Monday, and so far I'm up 3K on the week, which is a good week. So currently floating about $400 and currently floating 334. Currently floating negative $100. So we're just waiting for that to fall, and it may take some time, but that's perfectly fine, not a big deal. So I'm watching YouTube videos. I'll give you a trade update once price continues to fall, and we'll see what happens once like market opens, because we're still in pre-market. We still got like 4 hours. It's 5:28, 6:28, 7:28, 9:28. Probably like three to 4 hours before New York opens. So we had a minute before markets really kick in. So we're gonna be holding this for quite some time, which is fine, no big deal. So yeah. So like I said, currently floating 38, 39, currently floating minus 15, minus 30, currently floating for 500, 540, and like I said, we just waiting for this to kind of go back into profit. So minus 40, so we just wait and just see what happens. All right, everybody, so trade update. I'm currently on the phone with my friends, and I'm currently still looking at these charts as of right now, but the thing is, price is kind of just consolidating or giving me range for the most part. So I'm still looking for price to ultimately hit this zone, which is this zone here. I'm looking for price to kind of come down here and hit, but it's just kind of struggling right now. So I need it to come down and hit the zone so I can get out the trade. So yeah, I need to get this down 630. I need to get to 2,000, and then 1,900 in negative. So yeah. All right, everybody. So trade update. It is currently 8:44 in the morning, and price is dumping as of right now. She is floating. I am up 720 on prop, so that means I'm floating about 1,700 on live and 8,000 on my demo. So price is giving me a nice little pump. I'm looking for her to hit this area down here. So just waiting for her to drop. Currently floating almost $2,000 here. Currently floating about $800 here, and then currently floating about $9,000 here. So we're just waiting to see what she does and just let her pump and do her thing. I've been waiting on her to fall all morning since like 4 o'clock this morning. So we're just gonna wait, let her dump. She's probably gonna do some pullback and dumping, and then we'll just wait it out and just see what happens. All right, everybody, so trade update. It is currently 1:33, and right now I'm still floating in this trade about $950, and I'm about to get ready to close it because I wanted to break, but I'm kind of over the trade at this point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the profit, wait till another clean setup. I've done really well this week. I've already made $5 grand this week, so it's not that bad. So I'm going to just go ahead and close this trade and then just take it and wait for another clean setup. I was trying to wait for it to get back to $1,000, which it looks like it's about to right now. So I'm about to get ready to close this at $1,000. Let's see. Don't do that to me. All right, close it. Boom. All right, 65. So I closed the trade. I'm done with the trade. I'm over it, and I'll just wait for another clean setup. It's probably going to fall at some point, but like I said, my mental capacity just isn't there anymore. And like I said, I've already done fine so far this week. Tomorrow is Thursday, so 2 more days left of trading week. I've already made $5 grand, so I'm kind of done on the week. Probably I may take a little scalp at some point, but for the most part, I'm pretty much done. And of course, she's probably going to dump relatively soon. But whatever, like we can always catch another setup. We've been trading for almost 2 years now, so we catch setups all the time. So remember, link in the description, learn how to trade ICC, and that is $50, and it's going to change your life. It's going to show you how to take trades like this. So far today, I think I made $3 grand. So if you would have took just one of those trades with me, you would have been fine. Also, get into the Discord, because the Discord is where I'll be spending most of my time at. I will be giving trade breakdowns, sending out signals, and doing calls in there as well. So go ahead and get Discord, link in the description below or across the video. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Always remember that it's just a trade, and always be patient.